Snack or famous in Indonesia as a hawker, is a small dish very easy once found in various parts of Indonesia. The food is already made of this antiquity remains until now because the material used is a staple. This snack uses natural ingredients so it is safe to be consumed. The following are the types of desserts which we will discuss. 1. Onde. With a round shape and has the typical sesame sprinkles on the outside, it is easy to be known and remembered. Made with wheat flour and sticky rice, the food that came from mojokerto is quite familiar in Indonesian society. Usually green beans become content in this cake. 2. Fall. The main cassava-based, this food has a delicate flavor and texture. The process of making this fall through a fairly simple stage, namely, yam or cassava is steamed. Once cooked cassava earlier pounded until smooth. The addition of sugar and grated coconut is given according to taste. 3. Cake putu. The process of making the cake very short content, simply by entering your dough into a tube of bamboo or small-sized pipe. Steamed a few minutes until the dough is cooked. The food is made from rice flour was given a pandanus leaf as coloring. With palm sugar and coconut sprinkles inside as a complement. 4. Chloro. This cake is made from a dough of rice flour and brown sugar. How to make it chloro, wrapped in the leaves of young coconut to resemble flattened cone shaped like a trumpet. After that, the chloro is steamed until cooked. In Duga cake chloro is derived from the central Java area or surroundings. 5. Karak telur. This is the heartland of traditional indigenous Betawi i.e. Jakarta. Hawker is made from glutinous rice, duck egg, dried shrimps, fried onions, and a variety of savory seasoning savory. The cellar of this egg crust you can encounter in the area of the monument area or areas of the old town. 6. Cake ape. This cake is also a typical cake from Jakarta. Shape and texture so not much different with pancakes in general. It's just that, cookie dough ape made more fluid. The manufacturing process uses curved containers, so that the cake has a crunchy texture and the ape is thin at the edges. Part of the dough accumulates in the core retains the texture tender. 7. Kulpan. Almost the same as onde cake, but it has the texture of kulpan is much softer. The contents of the cake this is kulpan brown sugar. Serving this cake also use coconut sprinkles. The material used is glutinous rice with pandan leaves as natural coloring. 8. Sarabi. This food comes from Bandung. Made from a mixture of rice flour and coconut milk, pancake usually served in 2 ways. There are sweet with brown sugar or coconut milk spray, there are also dry with flavors of savory. 9. Cake talam. This is a perfect blend of savory sweetness of coconut milk and sugar. Talam cake made from rice flour, tapioca, cornstarch, brown sugar, coconut milk, salt, and pandan leaves. Today, the cake is served with a sense of talam. 10. Cake kipo. Derived from kota ged, this cake made of glutinous rice flour, coconut milk, salt, and sugar together. Kipo was presented with the texture of legit and green. Baked until done and take out the aroma of fragrant pandanus. Kipo so you must try hawker kala visiting Yogyakarta. That's a glimpse of some of the traditional food in Indonesia, will be much more traditional food which we will discuss at the next opportunity. Thank you for watching.